Hello, welcome back to my channel, and we are trying to film a yes box. Oh, it was a bad mess trying to get this box to me because the mail lady decided to talk about the Kardashians and all her drama instead of paying attention to what she's doing, and decided to put my mail in someone else's mailbox. So yeah, and then got called a liar on top of everything else by the postmaster. So I'm going to roll up this sleeve, and I'm going to go ahead and start this again. The palette that we got, or I got, is the Moriya Dreamscape palette, and this is for, I guess, for Pride Month, which is awesome. I'll just watch some of them because I already tried to film this like 4 or 5 times and it just didn't seem to work out. Here's the purple, the pink, the green, the yellow, the blue. There's some of the shades. Not the very most pigmented one, but the last shade I'm going to swatch out of this is Cool Cat, because I like cats. So that's really pretty. Well, I'll swatch one more. Because purples are usually the hardest to make in palettes, so I'll swatch it right in here. Not too bad. It's workable, it's buildable, so that's awesome. Oh, I kind of skipped over this part because I was excited to get in that palette. The month's theme is Be You, Write Your Own Story, and it's a cute little rose. And this is for June of 2019. The moment you realize you never had to pay full price for makeup again, yes. Your monthly savings is 83% off. So, I mean, they don't list the prices, but I know a lot of people get kind of mad at them over that, but I will have to say a lot of these places do actually have them where it's the market value instead of what is valued on the website now, so can't get mad at that. And then we got the Kaelin eyeliner, and it's had a brush, and it's already dirty because I tried to do this video and I didn't realize it wasn't recording. So, and then there's the I'm kind of getting a little bit agitated about these type of eyeliners because this makes like the 4th or 5th one that I have got in the last couple of months in subscription boxes. So yeah, I mean, I hardly ever use them. So make sure you check out my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because I got one in that too. So, which I try it out. I mean, I'll try them out, but yeah. So, got the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Lash or Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara, which that would be good, I guess, like if you're in a pool. Oh yeah, if you're wondering about my eye look, I'll leave it down below. It's a Too Faced palette. I want to say it's the Bezoar palette, but I'm not too sure. It's over there, and just it does have a kind of a curve to it, so I'll try that out later. So yeah, I'm excited about that, because sometimes I kind of forget to put eyeliner or mascara on, and then I'm like, at least there's one I can grab, because I get a million of those in subscription boxes. And now this I heard is a new product from Appeal, and it's a gel liner in forest green. So, and there's a swatch of that right there. So yeah, that's really pretty. Because I like getting colorful eyeliners every once in a while, because black gets boring after a while. Huh? So, the next thing in my baggie I got is the Dirty Little Secrets cosmetics, and it's a highlighter in the shade Secret. No, wait. I read that wrong. It's Bella Amissa. And it's in this shade. Really pretty. Because I've been getting into these pinker top highlights, so really soft and buttery. Right here. That's gonna look really pretty like on a date night. My husband comes in. Now, the last thing in the baggie, or box, I call them baggie box, you know, whatever you want to call it, is Sorbet. I could be pronouncing that wrong. And this is a eyeliner brush, so I guess it could go with this too. So I'm just going to leave that because that's, I mean, it's just one of those. Now, if you are with them for 4 months, if you write them, they will give you a free gift. And the free gift that I got was this. And it's I can't pronounce that. And it's in the shade Retro Red. And it's a lip liner. And there it is right here. So hopefully I can still get my subscription boxes without the Melody trying to pull a fast one off on me. I mean, you know how it is. I mean, yeah, people are allowed to make mistakes, but she done this. This ain't, like I said, ain't her first rodeo in this. And that's gonna be, I will stand corrected. That is really good because it is not budged at all. Oh yeah, and there's some more swatches. I'm like, woo. Very pigmented for Pride Month. Yeah, I might have to watch that because it looks like a big nasty bruise now. So like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my Boxy Lux because they are now up. And make sure you check out my husband's channel, Here Comes Tom, because he's going to have some toy reviews and some geeky reviews and anything else pretty much on there. Yeah, and make sure you show him some love and subscribe to him because try to be kind of a kid-friendly channel over there, you know, like a safe haven, so that they could have something to watch. Some of these YouTubers out here, you can't really, it's just some really scary stuff on YouTube. I'm not going down that tangent, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leaving a comment down below if you get this bag. I kind of forgot to mention that this bag is like $13 to $14 a month plus shipping. All full-size products. So yeah, make sure you check out my videos and make sure you check out my husband's channel. Leave a link down below if you got this bag so I can go check out your video. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.